Let me show you a quick demo of Othor AI. Let us log in as an admin user. Here you can see a demo organization that showcases the basic features of Othor AI. What you are seeing is the business narrative feature where the AI reports to the user just like a business newspaper what happened the last day, last 1 week, last 1 month. And there are supporting charts and visualizations associated with each of these narratives. Now going to the second feature, this is a chat with the data, very similar to ChatGPT. You can ask questions here. For example, I am asking what was our revenue last quarter. So it gives you the answer. Our revenue last quarter was 2.5 million. It has got other advanced features similar to ChatGPT. Now let us quickly look into the third feature. The third feature is basically the dashboard for your organization, which we are calling by the name Smart Charts. So the Smart Charts categorizes different metrics of your organization. And if you want to explore one chart in depth, you can do that also. We also have a forecast feature where you can forecast for the next 7 days, next 1 year. Now let us actually try creating a new organization and connecting to a fresh data source and see the magic of Othor AI in real time. I am going to create a organization for a pharma company. So I simply created a new workspace, pharma company. Then I switched to that workspace. Then I went to data sources. Now here I am going to connect to a data source. Othor AI supports different data sources. Let us connect to a PostgreSQL data source. Presently, I am running this demo from my local host. I am going to connect to a database in my local host. So I am giving a name to the connection. I am giving the host address. If the database is hosted in AWS or any other server, you can give those host details, username and password, database name and table name. Yes, that's it. We have connected the data sources. Now let's go and see how quickly it generated the different features. So if I go to smart charts, you can see that instantly it generated the dashboards and divided it into different categories. You can see the safety monitoring, financial performance of the pharma company, cost analysis for the pharma company, sales performance for the pharma company. All these charts categorized into different categories. If I go to home page, you can also see the narratives that Othor AI generated from these thousands of rows. Let us wait for a few time. Since Othor AI is loading it for the first time, it can take 1 minute. Yes. So here you can read stable total adverse events and safety report, increase in total units sold, decrease in average manufacturing cost per unit. Now to understand the magic of Othor AI in real time, now we just connected to a pharma company. Now let us connect it to something completely different from a usual business. I want to analyze the weather data. So I'm going to settings once again. I'm creating a new workspace known as climate research. And I am switching to that workspace. I'm going to data source. I'm connecting to a data source where I have climate weather data. Let us wait for a few seconds. Done. Now let's go and see what Othor AI generated. Yes, here you can see the different climate related charts, total precipitation, average humidity percentage, average temperature, etc. Let us go and see total precipitation. Here you can see the total precipitation for the past 30 days. If I want to see for past 12 months, that's the last 1 year, you can see that also. And here there is a forecast option. I am going to forecast for the future. I just clicked on forecast. So now you can see the precipitation expected in the coming days. Today is 9th January. It is showing the data for 10th January till 7th February. If you want to do it for the next 1 year, that is also possible. Yes, beautiful. If you want to try a completely different data type, let's try the data of a school. Let us quickly do that also. School organization. Let's switch to that organization. Let's go to data sources. Let's again connect the data. Let's wait for a few seconds. Yes. Here you can see the financial data of the school correctly stored and categorized as different categories. Here you can go to chat to ask any questions to the data. If you go to the narratives, you can see the narratives written about the data that is collected. The possibilities here are endless. We are only starting. We can have different templates for narratives in future. We can connect with unstructured data in future. You just think about connecting to a Google Drive where Othor AI will analyze all your documents and will provide you daily to-do list tasks on what to do based on your agreements, based on your project plans, etc. All these are possible and we are developing it one by one. Thank you.